About this item 2023 upgraded version, the Suliya auxiliary cord for iPhone adopts the newest API certified chips. It can support all iOS versions, including iOS 10/11/12/13/14/15/16 and later. This cable is compatible with multiple devices, such as iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 XS, XR, X876, iPod Touch, iPad mini/iPad Air/iPad Pro. Now don't worry, your iPhone appears IT doesn't support this product. Premium sound transmission. This auxiliary cable for the car was a built-in newest powerful DAC, digital to analog converter, chip and premium copper wires to ensure stable and lossless sound transmission of the audio signal, provide flawlessly music transmission, and clear hi-fi sound quality. You can enjoy high-quality music by connecting your iPhone to your car or home stereo, headphones, hi-fi, computer stereo, etc. Ultra durability 15,000 plus bend lifespan is several times longer than most auxiliary cords. Soft TPE, making this auxiliary cord for iPhone 12 be a flexible and long-lasting cable. It's lightweight and convenient to take around. No worry about the winding, knot, or kink. Plug and play. No need for any driver or external power, just plug and play. Easy to connect and use. The auxiliary cord for iPhone 13 allows you to enjoy high-quality music anytime and anywhere. Great for home and travel service and warranty. You will get a high-quality iPhone auxiliary cord. We will provide you with an 36-month worry-free refund service. To ensure your shopping experience, if you have any questions, please contact us immediately and we will answer your questions.